Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Natural Hair Dynamics. If it is your very first time, I do appreciate you stopping by to check out the channel, and I assure you that you guys will enjoy the content. Yes, and if you're a return viewer, welcome back and you're much appreciated also. Anyway, for today's video, as you can see, I'm well underway with the process. Yes, I am back with another crochet braid video. You guys already know I am the crochet queen. Yes. So today I want to focus on showing you guys how to do the braid pattern to give you the most versatile outcome ever. Yeah. So if you want your crochet braids to be very versatile, and that's one of the things with crochet braids is that based on the braid pattern, it might, not give you, that versatility that you would want from a style. Now, never fear, this braid pattern is here. Yes, baby, this braid pattern is the answer to all of the questions and the solution to all of your problems. All right. So, what am doing, as you can see, first of all, I just sectioned some hair along the perimeter of the head, and I'm braiding upwards. Yeah. So all of the braids at the circumference of the head. I don't know if I'm explaining it correctly, but you understand what I'm saying. All of those hairs along the side and the back of the head are going to be braided in an upward direction, right? And by doing so, you guys are going to be able to see what I mean when I say it is versatile as a result of this braid pattern. So stick and stay. Follow me, watch me, and you will see what I mean. And let me apologize for how nasal I sound. I'm actually getting over a cold, so that's why I sound so stuffy. Yeah. All right, so after I braid the hair in the upward direction, as you can see, I already went ahead and merged all of those braids that were going upwards into one, and now I'm just continuing with the middle part of her hair with everything just being braided all the way back. So the most difficult part and the most intricate part of the style is the edges. Yes, that part of the hair where you have to braid upwards. Once you have that part down pat, then you pretty much just go ahead and braid everything else in the middle back as you usually would. No issue. One more thing I wanted to add about this hairstyle is the fact that, well, about the braid pattern, is the fact that you can apply this braid pattern, you can utilize this braid pattern for any crochet style at all, but especially for those styles that require you to use individual pieces of hair. When I say individual pieces of hair, I mean like locks or plaits or twists. Yeah, so any individual crochet style that you want to install, you can utilize this braid pattern and you will get the same results, right? Yeah. So I'm just going ahead and continuing with my braiding. For every row that I braid, I go ahead and merge one into the other that is beside it. So once I am done, you are going to be able to see that, everything will be nice and neatly tucked away without, any excessive bulkiness. Yeah. Her hair is fairly long, so yeah, it's not going to be super duper flat, but yeah, as best as possible, it's going to be fully tucked away. And once you master the braiding of the hair, to be honest, once you master the braiding of the hair, once you master the braid pattern, then crochet braiding is a breeze. Because the installation of the hair is the least, of your worries. The most important thing is the braid pattern. All right, I'm going ahead now and applying my One True Natural Nourishing Oil Blend, my Shine of Mine. Yes, shameless plug. That's my own product line. You can order yours at the link down below, yes, in the description. So I'm going ahead and properly nourishing her scalp at this point before I go ahead and install the hair. And not only will this product help to keep her scalp nourished and, keep away any dryness or flaking, but it will also help to lock in the moisture into her hair. And once the style is taken down, you will realize that her hair is much more moisturized, than it would actually be if she didn't use the oil. All right, so this is the braid pattern, you guys. This is where the magic is. Pay keen attention to the braid pattern because this will make all the difference. All right, so for today's look, I'm using my very favorite crochet braids. Hands down, absolute favorite here from Crochet Braids. Plus, their Yankee twists. It's to die for. All right. And I'm gonna start off, like I said before, the gist of this video is really to show you guys how I do the braid pattern. So, the installation is just a bonus. So, yeah, just follow me for the rest of the video as I show you guys the outcome. You're going to want to stick and stay for this one because it's going to be absolutely beautiful. And if you guys notice how fairly close I made the braids going upwards, that is because of the size of the crochet hair that I'm working with. Now, if you're working with a much thicker braiding hair, then you are, obviously going to make your braids more spaced out. But because these are really, really, really small, tiny braids, yeah, these are actually twisted braids that are somewhat curled. So they're like micro twists that are curled. All right. So because of that, that is the reason why I make my braids so small. If they were more spaced out, then you would not get the effect, that I'm hoping to get from doing the braid pattern in the first place. And of course, I like to do the edges first. I always do that, especially when I'm doing this braid pattern, just to be sure that, I have enough hair for that section. If there's no hair or if there's a shortage of hair, it definitely cannot be for the edges. So you can already see, look guys, you can already see how nice that looks. Come on now. That look like individuals. The versatility that you get from braiding the hair this way is unbelievable. It's out of this world. It's life-changing and game-changing. So yeah, you wanna definitely utilize this braid pattern. And you know what? Sometimes when I'm doing curly styles, I actually still use this pattern. Because if for whatever reason you decide that you want to pull your hair up in a high ponytail, regardless of the type of hair that you're using, this braid pattern will, give you that nice finish without you actually seeing the braids underneath and it just being a hot mess. All right, so yeah. So for the rest of the hair, once I'm done with the edges, I'm just filling in, quite liberally. I'm just filling in the rest of the head. Yes. And guys, I have another video that I posted installing the same hair on another client's head. And I did, explain how I install it to get it to have that invisible look at the part. So I will link that other video down below so that you guys can watch it. And, if you're interested to see how you get that invisible look, because based on how the hair is, you can't use a typical technique to get that knotless or invisible look. So yeah, so we're just about getting ready to finish. Yeah, just a couple more pieces and we are good to go. All right. So we're all done with the installation. And of course, I'm just adding a little bit of mousse. Yeah, not absolutely necessary, but hey, just to give it a hint of, shine and vibrance, I'm adding the Cream of Nature argan oil mousse to her hair. And just like that, the hair looks so nice and natural, guys. And you would not believe how much it feels like human hair. That's what I love about it. It feels like human hair. It is reusable. It is lightweight. Oh my God. The hair feels like feather on your head. Yeah, sometimes I literally had to feel my head when I was wearing this style. I had to feel my head to be sure that the the hair was on my head, because I did this style on my head also too and fell in love with it. All right, so this is it, you guys. The Yankee twists from Crochet Braid Plus. And yes, come on now with the versatility. Come on now. Yes. Yes. Who can talk to her? All right, so one more snap before she exits the building. Getting that natural sunlight on her hair so you guys can see. So nice. All right, so one more look at how the hair looks with the braid pattern, the versatility. Yes, yes, yes. Come on now, girl. Let's work it. All right, shake it from side to side. Yes. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate you spending the time to check out my videos. Yeah, be sure to like and comment. Comment down below and let me know if you've tried this hair before. And if not, would you try this hair? All right, so like, comment, share, subscribe, and everything until next time. Bye.